The stainless steel gasket fitting UJR is a tube fitting designed and manufactured with advanced technology, presenting excellent quality and performance. This UJR fitting is a precision union tube fitting designed to seal the gasket, sandwiched between the tube-welded sleeve and the body by tightening the union nut. The design pressure and the operating temperature range of the UJR are as shown here. The UJR material is as follows. This is a temperature pressure rating chart. Pressure rating differs depending on the nominal diameter of a tube to be used. Take care when using the UJR fitting in a situation under high temperature and high pressure. Precautionary note for assembling UJR fittings. Please take care not to damage the body seat part, the sleeve edge, and the gasket surface. Such damage will have an adverse effect on seal performance. If you have dropped a fitting or other part by mistake, do not use them as they are, but check for damage or attached foreign matter before use. Carefully check the seal surface of the body, sleeve, and gasket. A stainless steel gasket is notched for easy identification by showing a difference in appearance from a nickel gasket. When using an unplated gasket, be sure to fit a pure ring in position. This prevents co-rotation of the gasket with the sleeve, allowing more reliable sealing. For co-rotation prevention gaskets, the Pure Ring 3, a type that allows later insertion into a tube after welding, is available. This Pure Ring 3 is inserted between the sleeve and the nut before use. The Pure Ring 3 can be reused up to 5 times. The maximum operating pressure for use of a Pure Ring with a standard nut is 1 megapascal. For use at a pressure exceeding 1 megapascal, use a long nut for high pressure use only, together with a Pure Ring as a set. When tightening the fitting, be sure to securely fix the body with a wrench or a similar means to avoid turning, and then turn the union nut to tighten the seal. Take care not to turn the body in the condition of the union nut being immobilized. Turning the body in this condition may damage the seal surface by galling, causing leaks. A Pure Ring cannot be used for tubes outdoors or in a place where rainwater splashes. Take appropriate measures to avoid rainwater being splashed. Assembly procedures. Make sure that all parts of a UJR fitting are available for use. Put a gasket between the tube-welded sleeve and the body. And tighten the union nut until it becomes finger tight. Provide a match mark on the body and the union nut for use as a 0-point position. From this 0-point position, rotate the union nut by 1/6 with a spanner for tightening. This completes the assembly procedures. Using a Pure Ring reduces the specified tightening torque. Therefore, take due care not to perform excessive tightening. Reassembly procedures. To reassemble the fitting, tighten in accordance with the same manner as done for the assembly procedures. Be sure to use a brand new gasket.